and gentlemen, welcome and thank you for joining us this afternoon on SOM Live. Corky McCorkle here, along with the loaded gun, Chad Bartlett. Chad Bartlett, how are you feeling? How are you feeling after last week at Fright Night, retaining your East Tennessee tag titles against the Dooleys in that Chucky Street fight?
Tried and true champions, no matter what the haters say, we'll worry about them on another day, because right now it's celebration time. The time is mine, it's the family's, and this train is going to keep on rolling.
Sick Rick Matrix also retaining his SOM Heavyweight Championship in that brutal coffin match against Draco, but we did have two titles change hands. Ladies and gentlemen, the Doctor of Destruction, Joe Briggs, the new X Division champion, and the Real Outlaw, Brian Rivers, is the new SOM East Tennessee champion, folks. But,
hey, put your hands together, folks.
But hey, the action keeps on rolling, and we'll be back with live action at SOM.
You got to holler at me, homeboy.
We've got the BTSG here.
What? He's just going to interrupt.
Yes.
Everything.
BTSG, what's going on?
You know what? It is clear. They told me I had to start from the bottom, and I've gone through everybody. I want Sick Rick because I want my title back now.
Wow.
You know what? You know what? You know, actions speak louder than words. And
well, these fans want to see the rematch. Where is Judas, the Mad Hatter? He's the man to make the match.
you know, I don't care where that penguin is.
Hey!
Wherever that penguin is, he needs, if he's not here, he needs to make a call to one of his stooges and make the match. I want Sick Rick. I deserve it. The people want it. And Sick Rick, I'm ready to kick your ass.
Whoa, here he comes out here. It's Sick Rick himself.
Get the mic over here. Be careful what you wish for, because you just might get it. I've been putting you over since we started this feud, okay? Cool your jets. I got business I'm taking care of and trying to make this promotion #1 in this area, okay? So simmer down, okay? I told you I wasn't done. Shut up. I told you I wasn't done with you. I told you that I wasn't gonna just put you to the side like people did to me in my career, okay? So I'm here, but don't wake a bear when he's waiting for his porridge, Jack. So you might wanna think about, retrace your steps, take a step, take a breath, and realize what's in front of you, because what's in front of you is the best wrestler going today. I feel it, the people feel it, and every promotion in this area, if they've seen the TV, they know what it is to see somebody like Sick Rick Matrix, okay? I got a lot of respect for you. I got a lot of respect for you and everything that you do. It's funny. Like that idiot right there, some people just don't get it. But he will. And just like you, you will. I told you I wasn't done. So do yourself a favor. Why don't you just focus on the task at hand? Because right now, you don't have that belt holding it up. Okay? It's mine. It's mine. And I said it's going to take one hell of a man and one hell of a wrestler to take it from me. And I know that you've taken me to the limits before, and you've actually beat me. But the fact is, right now, today, this is mine, and I'm just not gonna hand it over to you. I deserve it. I've worked just as hard as you or anybody else to get this spot, and I'm not just gonna give it away. I've taken everybody in this promotion that thought that they could go, and I put them in their place, and you're included. But don't think, look at me when I'm talking to you. Don't think. Listen, don't make this what you want it. It's a man-on-man. When you hear me talk to you, you realize that this heart beats like a lion and this brain thinks champion. And that together means I'm the best. So take your time, have some patience, and don't wake a sleeping bear.
Oh, I think to put that more succinctly, BTSG, he's not giving you the title shot at this time.
You know what? He said a lot.
That's not what I said, Corky. I didn't say I wasn't giving him a title shot. Okay? I just told him to wait and be patient. I got a job to do. I'm trying to put this promotion on the map. Okay?
Yeah. All right then. So he says, wait your time.
Wait my time. He says I need to wait my time. Well, you know what, Rick? You have done a great job of putting me over. So thank you. But you know what? I was here way longer than you have been. And I put myself over way before you got here. I was kicking asses way before you left South Carolina. So, just so you know, I woke up the bear and I knew exactly what I was doing.
Well, you heard it, folks. Our next live event coming up November 2nd, Colonial Heights Middle School, and November 3rd, the Golden Ticket. Folks, you got to stick around and find out what happens next here on SOM Live. Tensions are high here at SOM Live after that face-to-face encounter between BTSG and Sick Rick Matrix. Now we've got RT3, the former East Tennessee heavyweight champion out here. Of course, hits a huge spear on Crash O'Connelly.
Yeah, but that ain't Brian Rivers. I ain't impressed.
Leads up. RT3 not going for the cover here. Crash O'Connelly going to be in action tomorrow night for SOM Uprising here at the SOM studio in Chuckey, Tennessee. But RT3 got him set up for another big spear, and that's going to do it, folks.
Crash O'Connelly coughing. He might have caught a broken rib right there.
Crash O'Connelly, he's got to be feeling like he's been through 2 car crashes just now already in this match, and how much more can he take? Oh no! Another big spear from RT3. What intensity!
And that's it.
There's your winner, RT3. Looks like I'm going to get a word now with the former East Tennessee heavyweight champion. See what he's got to say. Brian Rivers after that pole rope match that took place earlier this week at Fright Night. All right, folks, RT3, congratulations on your victory here today on SOM Live. But, well, unfortunately, you lost the SOM East Tennessee Championship earlier this week to Brian Rivers, the real outlaw in that brutal bull rope match earlier this week at Fright Night. What do you got to say about it, RT3?
You know, Corky, I am focused on getting back on track, and I'm focused on regaining my East Tennessee Heavyweight Championship. I don't care who's got it. That could be months down the road. It could be next week. I don't know when they're going to allow it to happen, but next time it does happen, you're going to see a new East Tennessee Heavyweight Champion.
Well, now, you haven't been signed a rematch yet, but you are going to be participating in that Golden Ticket Battle Royal coming up November 3rd at SOM. Of course, the winner of that going to be able to challenge for any title at any time. What do you think about the Golden Ticket Battle Royal coming up?
Corky, I think that's a huge opportunity for SOM Live. Every superstar that puts their bodies on the line and comes out in this ring each and every week deserves a chance to become champion. And I know more than anybody, I deserve to regain my East Tennessee Heavyweight Championship after I win the Golden Ticket.
And you heard it, folks. RT3 He's going to be entering his name in that Golden Ticket Battle Royal. He's coming for that East Tennessee championship that's around the waist of Brian Rivers. And folks, you'll see RT3 in action as well November 2nd at Colonial Heights Middle School in Kingsport. Going to be a great benefit event. You can learn all about it at SOM on Facebook. And folks, we'll be back with more SOM Live coming up for you soon. All right, folks, I'm standing here with Les, who's the assistant principal at Colonial Heights Middle School in Kingsport, Tennessee, and a very special SOM fan. What's your name, young man?
Thomas.
And Thomas, pleasure to meet you. And now, Les, you wanted us to tell us about an event that's going down at Colonial Heights Middle School on November 2nd.
Yes, November 2nd at 7:30, we're going to be at Colonial Heights Middle School to do a special benefit show. Special thanks to School of Morton for coming out to do that. We're doing it for Thomas's autism dog, to raise money for that, around $16,000 for that autism dog. We certainly appreciate all the fans coming out and supporting us. We love the SOM wrestlers and fans, and we just thank you and appreciate what you're doing for us.
And we're happy to be involved and helped out, folks. It's going to be a great show for a great cause, and it's all going down 7:30 at Colonial Heights Middle School, November 2nd in Kingsport. We sure hope to see you there, folks. Now stick around for more SOM Live.
You looked a little nervous standing up there with that microphone, Courtney.
I don't trust no one, so
Oh, yeah.
my heart like a
A little
shoulder.
nervous when I
It is
get
my
that
policy,
stare
it is
down
my
from
principle.
Second
Only
Matrix.
with your loyalties unequivocal. People won't say anything just
I
to
think
get what
everybody
they
is.
want.
I don't
Knife in
think
your
what I
back,
said
all
was
these
inaccurate. He
money
told
and
BTSG
Hey, I guess
he
I
wasn't
was
giving him a
like,
title
every
shot
once till I
anytime
see you,
soon, is it?
Johns.
But
Is that
his
what he
mind,
said?
listen, his mind is twisted, okay? All you gotta do is shake your head and let the man do what he's trying to do.
All right, well, the bell has rung and it's on. Bruce Samuels, you can see him in action again here live tomorrow at SOM Uprising.
Two karate
Tomorrow
experts
night.
with dangerous feet. Woo! That Ginger
right, now.
Ninja showing off some
Swinging
skill.
kicks at the BTSG. See a smirk on the face of BTSG and a little chun kick. Whoa! And I think Bruce Samuels using a little bit of psychology on the former SOM heavyweight champ. But BTSG able to take control. High knee lift into Bruce Samuels and a big chop across the chest. Lit up the Ginger Ninja, and now BTSG with those double knees in the corner and the Uranagi. Could that do it? Wait a minute, he's looking to these fans. BTSG going with the hook of the leg and a cover. BTSG possibly the most popular athlete here at SOM along
You
with,
are crazy.
along with RT3 and the Doolies.
You are crazy, Corky. The family is the most popular group at SOM Live, and everybody knows that.
With 120 likes on Facebook, is that right? Chad
That's
Bartlett?
being investigated as we speak, Corky.
Well, stiff martial arts kicks from the BTSG to the Ginger Ninja.
What's this?
BTSG got him set up now. He's looking for that bow tie driver, and
That could be game
no,
over.
not going for the cover.
No?
BTSG
Now this is just cocky.
Looks up top now, and he's all the way up to the top rope with a lot of hang time, and the frog splash, and yes, BTSG.
He was just showing
Picks
off,
up the
Corky.
winners first here at SOM Live.
There was no need for that splash at the end of the match. He was just showing off.
BTSG still looking for that title shot against Rick Matrix, the rematch. Maybe he'll be the winner of that Golden Ticket Battle Royal on November 3rd. Coming up now, I'm going to take you, speaking of the SOM Heavyweight Championship, to highlights earlier this week from the casket match that took place between Rick Matrix and Draco for that SOM
Spooky.
Heavyweight Championship.
Super spooky.
Take a look at this.
So my family, my culture, my pride, where is your pride? 25 plus years and you've done nothing! You want to call yourself a wrestler?
and shoulder block we've seen so many times out of Sick Rick. About knock Draco into the coffin.
Got him. Trying to roll him inside. Trying to get this thing over with early. And Draco. Oh! Takes a suplex to the outside. Whoa. What is he doing? Draco bridging out there, looking like something out of The Exorcist. Draco, and now it's Sick Rick going face first. Show that. Whoa! Kicks up to his feet. And whoa!
Almost a man terminated.
Whoa! Draco. It's the kick, and now Sick Rick is inside the casket.
Rick is inside the casket.
He's in there. All they've got to do. Now Draco has got to shut the lid. He's got his hands on it. The Sick Rick's foot is still out. He's got it. He's got the lid almost shut, but now the challenge to Draco in this SOM Heavyweight Championship coffin match. And Draco, whoa. Sick Rick, he's got Draco in the casket. In the lid, that's it. Draco retains the SOM Heavyweight Championship. Here is your winner. And still, the SOM Heavyweight Champion.
Match. Draco and Sick Rick Matrix. Absolutely tore the house down.
In your mind. Because November the 2nd, your ass is mine.
Whoa.
Call me a sinner for the things I've done.
Here we go with more action on SOM Live. And
There's my family, Corky.
now there's the shooters. There they come. He's got another reason to call himself that after his man, you see it right there. Brian Rivers winning the Tennessee Heavyweight Championship.
Come on in here. It's Brian Rivers.
Friday night.
The real Outlaws, he knew. East Tennessee Heavyweight Champion, baby. Bringing gold back home to the family.
Brian Rivers, he did what he said he was going to do after winning that Spoiler Classic a few months ago. And now he's
Facts matter.
RG3 all the way to the limits and came out victorious in that polo match.
Facts matter, and that's all that the family talks about. Straight facts.
All right, now there's the bell and the medic trying to make this a quick one.
No way.
Schoolboy roll up, but a 2 count only. Brian Rivers. Brian Rivers is awake now if he wasn't before.
Oh my God.
Non-title match, but a huge stall, letting the blood rush to the medic's head and then dropping him hard with that vertical suplex. Brian Rivers snaps under the medic and a basement drop kick from the East Tennessee champion, and now he's got the medic. He's, a pin by the throat. I don't think the referee sees where Brian Rivers had his hand right there.
He did, of course he did. He's trying to take the life out of this man.
On the throat of the medic. And now Brian Rivers got him set up. What's he gonna do? Wait a minute.
Oh my God.
He's up in that. Buckle bomb from the Razor's Edge style position. And comes charging in with that big knee right
Is
to
this
the
not
face.
beautiful?
Medic in the corner with nowhere to go.
This is like a work of art.
There's that lariat from the real outlaw. And Brian Rivers.
And that's it, baby.
Cover and a 3 count.
And that's it.
Brian Rivers, the East Tennessee champion, victorious. RG3, we heard the challenge earlier, but big elbow drop. Hey,
He ain't done yet.
This match is over.
Come on, do it again. That's right. Come on.
Answer the challenge of RG3. I'm gonna try to get a word. He and Judas right now. Find out the response to that challenge from RG3. Folks, well, I saw it. Congratulations.
This is
Judas.
that champion you've been proud of, son.
Well, I'm sure.
Be careful how you answer that. Remember who signed your paycheck, pal. But that's the way it is. You're looking at your new East Tennessee heavyweight champion, like it or not. And RT3 is nothing but a little boy. It's finally, we got a man representing the title. Tell him about it, Brian.
RT3 has challenged you for a rematch for that SOM Heavyweight Championship. What about it, Brian Rivers?
I tell him that's tough titty, RT3. Tough titty. Because you told me that if I lost against you, that I'd have to go to the back of the line. Well, how does the back of the line feel, RT3? It feels good at the top, and I don't feel lonely at all. All the women attention you was getting, the family is getting. Brian Rivers is the new East Tennessee King. I'm the new East Tennessee champion. I'm taking this belt back to Texas this week, in fact, on a little getaway. But RT3 and anybody else, Derek Williams, Alex Monroe, anybody that wants to try to take this East Tennessee title from me, you've got a mountain to climb. I'm a Texas hell on 2 feet. I will knock you clear out of your shoes. I'm the champion, and nobody's taking this title off of me. Not you, not this Joe Schmo on the front row, not that fat slob back there on the 3rd row, not you sitting at home, Grandpa. I'm what's happening. I'm the new East Tennessee King, and there's nothing anybody can do about it, except nothing unlike it. It's family first, and we're family for life. Tell them, Judas.
And as I told you before, it's always, even the White Claw Outlaws, it's family for life.
All right, well, you heard it, folks. Judas, with another reason to call himself the manager of champions.
I'm champion Corky. I'm champion Corky, not that chump.
All right, folks, we'll be back with more show right after this.
We got a match, getting ready to brew.
Always that. All I need is cause I'm mad. Space, yeah. Bring your money with you if you're coming my way. Yeah, I'm in like the first on a Friday. Bigger hustle page.
Got you with the right brand. Current payment feels good to get in my bag. Now my feelings so.
I'm Hoot. And I'm Punky. And you're watching SOM Live.
All right, folks, we're back with more. Ladies and gentlemen, Spaceman Jones joining me here at the desk as
Well, you know, there's no way I'm gonna miss a party, Corky.
yeah, I'm not quite sure what this is about, but the White Claw Outlaws and Judas and the family have brought out the remainder of our airtime today to have a special party with the White Claw Outlaws. Let's find out what this is all about.
Well, as Corky's going to the ring to hand the microphone over, I'm wondering what is going on. We have the new East Tennessee Tag Team Champions, the new East Tennessee Heavyweight Champion. We got Darrell Conley and Judas, of course. The fans are showing their displeasure by even seeing these guys. And looks like they got something to say, Corky.
Well, well, well. The family is all here except for our new SOM Uprising champion. So you more
Yeah, where is Austin Henry?
Y'all just sit here and watch us. We're going to have a great time, unbeknownst to you idiots.
He's the Uprising champion, but these guys, the family.
So this is the way it's going to be.
Hazing the last
You're looking
3 weeks.
at the family,
program here.
and I've told you 100 times, it's for life. And I'm also the owner of SOM Live, and there's nothing you can do about any of it.
Well, the fans are
Since
definitely giving
we
these
got
guys
one man
an
that's not here, and
earful.
he's in Vegas on other business. We're going to still celebrate his victory, and we're also going to celebrate the victory of Mr. Brian Rivers, your new East Tennessee heavyweight champion.
Well, Austin Henry going to be defending that Uprising championship tomorrow night here at the SOM studio.
Vegas, I don't think you knew what happened after we all won the gold, Judas. You see, we did a little bit of prospecting down in Panama City. We took Austin with us down to Club La Vela, and you know, he's a little bit more of a young buck than some of us are. He's still down there trying to recover with a babe on each arm. Because you see, when the White
Well, I guess
Claw
Austin
Outlaws
Henry
party,
is having a party
it's
right
one
now.
heck of a freaky time. Adina Howard told me I needed to calm down.
Talking about Adina Howard, wow.
It didn't.
90s R&B star. I don't know if she would
we're
have to tell
the
him to calm
baddest
down. I
Tag
don't know.
team on the East Coast. We're the baddest tag team going right now. There ain't anybody that can beat us in a fair fight without using a gun. Tell them, Chad.
I guess I gotta step over here. Let me tell you people something. If you don't have an appreciation for all the family has done for you, then
Chad
you need
Bartlett,
to stand
ladies and
up
gentlemen.
and you need to get out of the building. Because we've been building this place like we were laying down brick and mortar, but we've been doing it with the bodies of our enemies. And at Uprising, Austin Henry proved that we don't do nothing but prospect for gold. You see what we hold. Now shut up and do what you're told.
Brad? Y'all would make me interrupt a perfectly good chew right about now to talk, wouldn't you? Well, right now, you're looking at the East Tennessee heavyweight champion.
Brian Rivers, a little chaw in his
And there's
mouth.
nothing
He's got a lot of
anybody can do
tobacco in
about
his
it.
mouth.
Nothing.
I don't like talking to him up close. He kind of spits on you a little bit.
You just sit there, keep your mouth shut, people.
Hang on, folks.
Oh, hold on.
What do you
Hold
want?
on.
Big surprise
Bina just
here.
picked up. Here comes Hart.
Williams
What do
is
you
out
want,
here.
punk?
Man, and he's making a beeline
I'll tell
right
you
for
what, you touch
Judas.
me and I'll sue you for everything you got, or what little you do have, Mr. Hard Luck.
This is between
Derek
you
Williams was
and
beaten
me.
out of the family
You put your lapdogs on a chain.
2 weeks ago at the Spoiler Classic. Wait a minute.
Oh, no, Daryl
Daryl
Conley.
taking it with that crunch in the back, and now a beat down from the family to Derek Williams. You got a referee
Oh, they
out
are
here
putting the
trying to
boots to him.
stop
The White Claw Outlaws have
things up.
Derek
Now, wait a
Williams
minute.
in a bad way.
Well, Brian Rivers taping up.
Taping that
He's
fist
taping
up.
that fist.
Oh!
Big right. Big right hand to
Big
Derek
right hand.
Williams.
Dropped
hard
him.
luck, Derek
Dropped
Williams.
him like a bad habit.
Kind of reminiscent of the right hand. Now look at that.
Chad Bartlett kicking the man while he's down.
Brian Rivers, this is completely chaotic. And Derek Williams came out here to break up the party.
Oh, and he's
now
bleeding.
Derek Williams is busted wide open.
Busted
His-
wide
his
open. Oh, my
forehead
God.
oozing red from those taped right fists from Brian Rivers.
Brian Rivers
real
showing off the
outlaw.
blood on that.
And now
Oh.
that was disgusting. He just spit that
Tobacco
juice
right in his chest.
all over.
What a
and right
nasty
into that
guy.
open wound, spaceman. That
Oh, my
was
God.
sickening.
Just absolutely disgusting. Something needs to be done about this family right now, I'm telling you.
Well, folks, that's all for today on SOM.
That's what happens when you
I'm
make
glad
me
that
run
we're
a
going off the
perfectly
air.
good
We don't
chew.
want the folks to see any more
I'll
of
kick
this
your
party.
ass, and there ain't nothing
We'll
you
see
can do
you
about
again
it.
next week, folks, on SOM
Folks,
Live.
this is disgusting. Join us tomorrow night.
Tell
on
them your
SOM
name, huh?
Live.
You want to be famous? You want to be out here with a family? Tell them your name. Come on, Hard Luck. This looks like you're having hard luck.
Folks, that's all the time we
He's
got. We gotta
speechless.
go.
He's
Tomorrow
speechless.
night is SOM Uprising. Be sure to join us November 2nd at Colonial
Colonial
Heights
Heights.
Middle School and November 3rd here at SOM Uprising. for the golden ticket. It was not a match. He can't take
That was not a match. That was not
We'll see you
legal.
next week on SOM Live.
Sorry about your hard luck.